So I'm just getting started on this Visual Studio Code. So some of the things that I like about Visual Studio Code is, first and foremost, the workspace feature. So let's just come out of this workspace. So close workspace, no save. Okay. So if I want to open a file, okay, instead of me just opening a file, what I would do is add folder to workspace. Now this just keeps my files and folders structured to make sure that, you know, it's not really messy and it has some sort of structure to it. So I would go to add folder to workspace, and obviously look for the folder. If I don't have the folder here, then I would, you know, just make it, but I think I've made my folder already, so I'm just going to add here. Now if I go up here, I can see that I've opened my folder and this is created a workspace for me. So now all the files that I need to make of folders will come under this workspace. Okay, so if I have this folder open, I'm going to make a file within this folder. So I'm just going to write main.tf. So this brings me to my second point now, is the Terraform extension. Okay, so this extension is absolutely amazing. It just helps, especially with like the code and the syntax, making everything neat and clean. So I've just copy pasted an example of a network access control list, a network ACL from the Terraform documentation online. So here you can see that the syntax is incorrect. So you know, it gives you the problem, or it tells you where the error is, and you know, it helps you resolve it. So unclose configuration block, there is no closing brace for this block before the end of this file. This may be caused by incorrect brace nesting elsewhere in this file. So yeah, from this I know now that I've got an error somewhere. So it says unclosed configuration block. So yeah, I just need to make sure I close this one here. So I'm just going to add that, and voila. So this is one of the key features of this extension, and I like that. I like the fact that it's just it integrates well with the IDE. The third thing is if I press Ctrl J, okay, then I get to my terminal, and from the terminal here I can either use PowerShell, or the one I like to use at the moment is Git Bash. Okay, Git Bash terminal works very well, especially with you know, obviously the git and git commands and stuff like that. So if I've got this main.tf and I want to turn this into a repo, I want to turn this folder into a repo. Okay, I am going to just use the command git init, and there we go. I've got my repo ready, and also I've got my source control. That's another thing that I like about the IDE, is that's integrated directly with Git. So I can now do and manage version control here. So I've made some changes, I'm going to stage it. Okay, and what I'm going to do is just add a comment here. So new knuckle. Okay, new knuckle, and then commit my changes, and boom, that's it. So now my branch is up to date, and yeah, these are just some of the things that I'm liking about the IDE at the moment. You know, I've been using it for the past 2 weeks now, and just looking forward to what else I can get up to on here. Anyway, have a good day, guys.